The National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern McPherson County in central Kansas, southwestern Saline County in central Kansas, until 6 p.m. At 4:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Windham and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. You can expect ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles, roofs and windows can be expected. Minor tree damage, with limbs up to 1 inch in diameter broken. Locations impacted include McPherson, Marquette, Galva, Lynchburg, Smolin, Assaria, McPherson Airport, Bridgeport, and Saline Airport. This includes Interstate 135 between mile markers 59 and 88. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.